Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into creating an efficient project dashboard using Todoist filters. So let's get right to it. To kick things off, let's begin with creating a new project. Head over to Todoist, click on the plus icon on the left-hand side, and create a new project. Be sure to give it a catchy name that easily identifies what your project is about. This is the first step in organizing your tasks and ensures everything is appropriately tagged for easy access later on. Now that we've done that, let's move on to adding tasks to your project. Click on Add Task, write down your task, and assign it to the project you've just created. Repeat this step for all tasks in your project. This helps us because it breaks down your project into manageable tasks, making it easier to track progress and stay organized. Next up, we're going to assign due dates to each task. Click on a task, select Schedule, and pick a date. This step is crucial because it helps you prioritize your tasks and ensures you stay on track with your project timeline. All right, now that we've scheduled our tasks, let's dive into the main feature of this tutorial, creating filters. Click on the top right icon and select Filters. Then click on Add Filter and create a filter with the criteria you want. You could filter tasks based on priority, due dates, or assignees. The reason we do this is to give you a clear overview of your tasks based on various criteria, making it easier to manage your project. Now, we've reached the exciting part, setting up your project dashboard using the filters we've created. Go back to your project, click on View, and select Board. Here, you can create different columns for different filters, giving you a visual representation of your tasks. You can drag and drop tasks to different columns based on their progress. Let me explain why this matters. This visualization allows you to see your project's status at a glance and helps in better project management. So, there you have it. You've now created a project dashboard using Todoist filters. This not only keeps your tasks organized, but also helps you stay on top of everything. Remember, the key to successful project management lies in staying organized and prioritizing effectively. And with that, we wrap up today's tutorial. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.